You have to start with practice set 1.1. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. You have to solve this same example by the method of elimination also and the method of substitution also. First of all, you have to solve this by the substitution. So in the same manner, you have to write this as the equation 1, write this as the equation 2. So you have to observe the coefficients are same or not. The coefficient of b are same. No need to equalize the coefficients directly. You have to see the sign. In the same sign, you have to do the subtraction. So here this equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 you have to do. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. You have to do the subtraction. When you will do the subtraction, at that time you have to change the sign of the downside equation. This plus 1a becomes minus 1a. This plus 5b becomes minus 5b. And this plus 22 becomes minus 22. And you have to use the rules of the addition. Here plus 5b minus 5b you have to strike this term. Because like term having the opposite sign. This 5b is positive, this 5b is negative. You have to strike this term. This answer will come 0. 3a minus 2a. One number is positive, another one is negative. Find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. The magnitude of 3a is greater and that one is positive. That's why this answer will come positive 2a plus 0 is equal to 26 minus 22. 26 minus 22 is equal to 4 will come. Then in between these 2 and a multiplication sign, 2 multiplied by a is equal to 4. You have to transpose this 2 that side. Multiplied by 2 becomes divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. A is equal to 2 will come. After that you have to put this value in another equation. You have to put this value in equation 1, otherwise equation 2, no problem at all. I am going to put this value of a is equal to 2 in equation 1. This is equation 1. You have to put value of a as 2. You have to put this value of a as 2. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 to the 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. 5b as it is you have to keep. You have to transpose this plus 6 that side because you have to find out the value of variable b. So you have to transpose this 6 that side. Plus 6 becomes minus 6. 26 minus 6 is equal to 20. 5b as it is. In between 5 and b, multiplication side multiplied by 5 becomes divided by 5. b is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. And a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4 is the given is the solutions of the given simultaneous equation by the elimination method. I think you understand this elimination method. Similarly, you have to start with the substitution method. Substitution method is also very simple. Here in substitution method you have to consider one of the equation. Such an equation you have to consider there one of the coefficient is 1. Here coefficient is 3, coefficient is 5. Coefficient is 1, coefficient is 5. Here coefficient is 1, so you have to consider this equation 2. You have to number the equation, this equation as 1, this equation as 2. You have to say that consider the equation 2. A plus 5b is equal to 22. You have to find out one of the value of the variable. So you have to find out the value of a. A is equal to, you have to transpose this plus 5b that side, that become minus 5b. You have to put a is equal to 22 minus 5b in equation 1. You have to put this value of a in equation 1. That time 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Value of a is 22 minus 5b. 3 multiplied by 22 minus 5b is equal 22 minus 5b plus 5b is equal to 26. You have to use the distributive law because outside the round bracket multiplied by 3. So you have to multiply this 22 by 3 and this 5b by 3. 22 3s are 66. Then 3 5s are 15b plus 5b is equal to 26. 66. This here you have to do the addition. One number is negative, another one is positive. Find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. Minus 10b is equal to 26. So this 26 your numeric terms, you have to collect the numeric terms together. 66 you have to transpose that side. This plus 66 become minus 66. Minus 10b is equal to 26 minus 66. Minus 10b is equal to minus 40. You have to find out the value of b. You have to transpose this minus 10 that side. Multiplied by minus 10 becomes here divided by minus 10. 10 1 the 10. This if both numbers are negative, the quotient is positive. 10 1 the 10, 10 4 are 40. So this answer will be, value of b will come 4. Put value of b is equal to 4 in equation 2. You have to put any equation, you have to put this value. B is equal to 4, you have to put in equation 2. A plus 5b is equal to 22. A plus 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 22. A is equal to 5 4s are 20 is equal to 22. A is equal to, you have to transpose this 20 that side. At that time that becomes minus 20. A is equal to 2 will come. Therefore, b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 2 are the solutions of the given equation. Here also a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4 are the solution of the given equation. Here also a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4 are the solution of the given equation. These are the, by the both the methods, you have to solve the simultaneous linear equation by the elimination also and by the substitution also. Your answer will come same, and these answers are same. Everybody understand? Properly you have to write all these two methods in the notebook.